Hi dear friend, I want to walk us through on a new ventilator machine that has just been installed. So we're going to look at the processes that were involved in the setup that you're seeing. And mind you, this is just a new ICU, and the place is still uh, taking shape. So we're just setting up other equipment here. So don't mind the way things are actually arranged. Okay, straight to the point. This is a ventilator machine, like I said, and this model is PA-700B, and it's a standard ventilator, and it's an electrically controlled pneumatic ventilator machine, and it integrates such functions as time, volume, pressure limits, and all other parameters. Now we're going to look at it just together very closely. Now, this is the back of the machine actually, and this is the oxygen pipe connected to your oxygen inlet here, and this is your air pipe. This air pipe is connected to the air inlet here. Mind you, this pipe, like this oxygen, will be connected to oxygen cylinder, and this will be connected to medical air once the machine will be in use, or once you want to start using the machine. Now this is the monitor, and this is where you make necessary adjustments once you turn on the machine. Your time, the different modes of the machine, is the power button, and for mechanical control, this is the oxygen flush. This is tidal volume set. This is oxygen percentage set, and this is your flow sensor. Mind you, flow sensor is actually connected to the inspiratory inlet, and another one is connected to the expiratory inlet here, as you can see. And let's pay attention to the way the breathing circuits are arranged. Now let me start with the inspiratory flow sensor. It's connected to the humidifier, and one end of it, that's the expiratory part, is connected to another breathing circuit that goes to the patient. Then another of the breathing circuit is connected from the humidifier, and it goes to this filter that still goes to the patient. Here you can put a face mask where the patient will be using, but at the point of this setup, this is just the breathing bag that we're just going to use to test when the machine is on, just to see that's pumping, that breathing, that ventilation of the machine. So this is it basically for this setup, and this is the power cable of the humidifier as well. It has a water level mask that you feel the water level to, and this also have a control for adjustment where necessary. So thank you so much. We'll bring you more updates as we proceed with other installation. Do have a nice day. Bye.